Hey everyone, this is day 2 of our social distancing and day 2 of kids not going to school. Want to see what that looks like? All right, so this morning we actually have the opportunity. I'm running one of my kids over to his school because he left most of his binders and stuff in his locker. So they're actually letting us go get all that stuff so that we can do some more of his things at home. But you guys, I homeschool. So with Ezra, we just already do some homeschooling. So we've been doing that. We're now in day 2 of kind of a lockdown, so to say. And watching the news can be a little bit intense. So we've turned off the televisions, and every so often I'll watch a little bit or read on my phone. But I'm just trying to kind of keep life going. So let me show you what we're doing. So we've pre-made some breakfast biscuits in here, or English muffins. So the boys could just pick up one of those. I made some gluten-free things for Paul, and he's been doing that. Is anybody else out there like me where I'm kind of like rationing a little bit? Like I don't want it to go away so fast. I am going to be venturing out to the stores maybe at the end of this week. And I'm just trying to get things still, my kids fed, everything's taken care of. But, you know, all the little yummy stuff so I might be making some like cookies later because I don't want them to, I still want them to feel like comfortable and stuff. So I might do that a little bit later, but you know, 30 seconds in the microwave, and there's my breakfast. So Ezra is liking it. Do you like that sausage muffin? I guess it's bacon muffin, huh? Got a little bedhead going on. But we got to do some schoolwork. We got to do some schoolwork. We've been just doing like normal stuff, right? And what is it that we're doing?
Math, language, and a lot of good stuff.
Lots of good stuff. Last week we weren't able to do a spelling week, but this week we're going to do some spelling, right? And you've already started that. They're pretty easy words, you think? Yeah. So his little pile's over there. There's Kobe over there. And in all, we have lots to clean up too. So it's only early. It's only like 8:20, and it is St. Patrick's Day. So there is something planned in our neighborhood that's going to be a little bit on the special side, but still using our social distancing. We're going to be going out and counting shamrocks, and I'll let you know a little bit more about that. But now, let me eat my breakfast. Looks like we're going to start doing some schoolwork for Ezra, and then I'm going to be running to the school in a minute, but I'll get him going. Pretty easy, huh? What are you doing right now? Vocabulary. And he's doing antonyms. Woohoo! All right, so we're heading now. We're going to take a few minute break, and we're going to head over to the school. And we're just pretty much staying in the car, right, Ezra?
Yep.
And then Jonas is going to go in and get some things from his locker. Don't touch anybody. Stay 6 feet away from people, right? Everybody, that's social distancing. And he's going to take his backpack. So we'll do that first and then finish up our homeschooling. So he's going in right now, but there's hardly anybody here, and this kind of like makes my heart a little bit like, did I want to send him in there? But it is what it is. I know that they're all deep cleaning all these schools and stuff, so with hardly anybody there, I'm sure it's totally fine. I think now up to this point, this is like I said, March 17th. I think most schools are closed. Most states have closed their schools down. Let me know if your schools are up and running still. I'm curious to know. And I think this is a global thing, guys. So I think a lot of people around the world are kind of doing the same things we are in the U.S. So The thing that makes me a little tiny worrisome is trying to do some more grocery shopping, because I keep hearing more and more that there are things not able to be found on the shelves. So we've just been praying as a family. We've been able to do church at home, which has been great. What do you think, Ezzy, about all of this?
I think it's good and bad.
Yeah, I think the kids are noticing. It's hard. It's on everybody's conversations. I know that people keep reminding each other about being a positive example for your children, but they know it, they see it, and I think it's just important for them to remember this time in their life. I mean, this is going to be a memory of yours forever, that you had the opportunity to kind of halt in the middle of everything to better your neighborhoods, to better our lives, and we'll be better for it, you guys. We'll be all strengthened. Our families will be strengthened. Schools will be, the kids will work harder. I just think everything will be better. So it's just kind of a reset button, right? Okay, so Jonas is on his way, and then we're going to do some cleanup when we get home.
Yep.
And I let the kids play outside I'll go let them play outside for a little while, maybe like an hour, and we'll go from there. All right, Jonas just came and got his stuff. What do you feel about all of this?
It's quiet. I liked it. It smelled good, which means he probably cleaned it.
Oh, that's good to know.
And also that they liked no teachers were there, so I kind of felt like a little awkward.
Mm-hmm. Did you see like the office staff and stuff was all there and walking around and things like that? Yeah, they said that they'll be there until 3:00 today, so I hope everybody gets what they need. All right, so we're back home. We finished some schoolwork. I sent some things to teachers. We're off to a good start, but I've asked the boys to help clean up for like the next 15 minutes. We'll set a timer. Let's just see how much we get done in 15 minutes, and then I'll share some news about Isaiah on the mission field. That was 15 minutes and it looks a lot better. So I'm just going to let the boys do some playing, having some downtime, but then I'll show you some other fun things we're going to do, and we'll talk a little bit more about Isaiah. Just letting the boys play outside for about an hour. They need it, you guys. Then after they're done, see how I put a shamrock? A lot of our neighbors have put shamrocks on their doors so that we can drive around, because I'm going to drive because the weather's a little chilly, and we can count how many shamrocks. Is that so fun for social distancing and still celebrating St. Patrick's Day? Most of our neighborhood is on a Facebook page, so somebody had threw that idea out, and I thought that was really cute. So we printed it and put it out there, so we can still keep in contact. Like, you guys get to see my messy garage. It's just a working garage. Paul's got a workshop, and he's working on this table right now. That's going to be our game table. So yeah, so I'm just outside watching the kids. But let me give you a little brief update on Isaiah. As for now, the missionaries have been asked to get 2 weeks of food to be able to hunker down, so to say. But also they're still coming in contact, and especially where Isaiah's at, they're just meeting with people, keeping distance, but they can't go into people's homes, that kind of thing. But I think it's just a matter of time before they are asked to just stay home as well. There are some missionary reports coming, like from the Philippines, and probably going to be some other foreign countries where all missionaries are coming home. So that, when I heard that, my heart kind of was like, oh, it would be nice to have our missionary home for a little while, but we'll see as the church decides. But I know he's doing just fine. I know a lot of his mission were getting sent home if they had like allergies or diabetes or just other autoimmune diseases that might suppress the respiratory or their immune systems. So that was a lot of missionaries that Isaiah had been working with, and so I could tell he was a little bit down. So if you guys could keep him in your thoughts and prayers, not only him but Braden and all other missionaries that are out there on the field, and just to keep them safe. If you see them, wave, or just give them a thumbs up or something. Just kind of keep them going, keep them motivated with the friendly smile. So that's just a little update about Isaiah. But you guys, we're just going to keep going. I'm going to show you some other fun things we're going to do, hopefully fun. Yesterday for day 1 was intense. Like, really, it was just a lot of adjusting, having kids home and stuff. So that's why we're in day 2. So it's about noon, and we are getting ready to have some lunch. I thought the boys might enjoy some spaghetti, and I just got like half of a French bread that I had in the freezer. But you guys, I wanted to report on this butter, this Parmesan garlic base. So good on that bread. I am hoping I can find some more of that in the future. So I'm just gonna get this. So easy to do, right? So some spaghetti. So we're just having some lunch, and then after, what are we going to do?
Shamrock hunting.
Shamrock hunting. How's that sound, Ezzy?
Good.
How's lunch?
Good.
Yeah, they were just playing outside, and they were like, maybe we don't want to eat right now, but now they're like, is it done? Is it done? Is it done? It's done, guys. All right, so we are going to look for some shamrocks for St. Patrick's Day. So y'all have like messy faces from our spaghetti. I can see little like orangey glows. Anyways, our door already has one, so that is 1. So we're gonna go drive. So we just got back. How many did we find?
87.
87 shamrocks. And so we've had like some partly clouds, some blue sky, and now we're starting to get some drips. So I wonder if we'll get a rainbow. Wouldn't that be nice? So anyways, I think we're going to head inside. Let's see what else we do. Okay, I am so tired. I fell asleep for like 10 minutes. Let me know if you guys power nap, because I can power nap. 10, 15 minutes, I'm good. Till like 1 in the morning, unfortunately. Okay, so right behind me here, we're starting to get things ready for dinner. So that is the chicken wings that Jonas picked out that Paul's going to grill. And so I just thought for the rest of us that aren't going to eat chicken wings, that we would do some chicken strips, which I have in the freezer. So it's just going to be more convenience foods. And Jonas also picked potato wedges, so that's pretty easy to cook. But in the meantime, I thought I would make some cookies, some easy strawberry cookies. Now, I have a much more detailed video coming out very soon on this, but just know if you have frozen strawberries, it's perfect. I just put them together, guys, so they're gonna go in the oven, and I can't wait to try them again. Ooh yeah, look at those. So I love these, and I can't wait for you to watch the video that's coming out very soon on how to make them. And so I hope you like them as much as I do. So let these cool, and then we're gonna get ready for dinner, you guys. The boys were just playing outside. Paul's on his way home. So the boys are playing in the backyard, and Paul's on his way home. So we're gonna get started with dinner very, very soon. Paul, the master griller, and he's got the wings in here. We couldn't get Jonas out. Oh wait, here he comes, Jonas. But whoa, that's a lot, huh, for that bag?
It is.
What do you think, Jonas?
I'm gonna eat all of them.
I'm gonna eat them all. He's like you and Dad. He's like me and Dad are gonna eat them all up.
That's right.
So while the chicken wings are on the grill, I got some chicken strips for the rest of us. These are mostly done, I think. So, and then we have potato wedges, the ones that Jonas picked out in his haul, in his $20 haul. So you guys, it's just gonna be a really easy kind of dinner. They got their wings. How do you feel about having wings for dinner?
Good.
That's your dinner, right? And so Ezra, we're just having some chicken strips. I think we're ready. Ready to eat?
Yes.
And that's it, you guys. We're just going to spend the rest of our evening just kind of being with each other and just relaxing, watching television. We just heard a message from our governor, and our state's pretty much shutting down for the next 30 days. So I'm going to just try to keep optimism, just talk to the kids, about the importance of making sure our hands are washed, that we're not coming into contact with lots of people, that important stuff. So you guys, make good choices about your safety. That's what I tell kids in my classroom all the time. And so I just want everybody out there who's watching, to be healthy, to be happy, and just to take this time to, reevaluate what your priorities are, following of a faith, to really delve into that and just really take some time for yourself as well, but also make good choices about your safety. I care too much about you guys, and I just want you to know that I love that all of you are watching, that you're supporting me and my channel. If you give this video a thumbs up, it will continue to do that as well. So you guys hang around, because more vlogs are going to be coming your way, and some more cooking videos as well. So stick around, rollers. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.